Single-track wedge snowplows have been in operation since the 1940s, and their usefulness and reliability have ensured their continued use. These snowplows are specifically deployed when the snow depth is less than 0.6 meters. They effectively clear snow by throwing it to both sides of the train tracks, resulting in substantial snowdrifts on either side. This technique is employed worldwide in countries with climates that experience significant cold precipitation. By eliminating snow embankments, these snowplows ensure the safe passage of passenger trains, regardless of adverse weather conditions. In the Swiss Alps near Pantrazina, an interesting sight was witnessed on an old-fashioned wagon equipped with a rotary snow-clearing device. While most modern trains have embraced advanced technology and energy-efficient methods, this particular device is still powered by a steam engine, reminiscent of trains from the past century. According to the operator, the reason behind this unconventional setup is that the carriage initially operated independently without being connected to the electric train. It's possible that this arrangement was necessitated by unusually heavy snowfall or the unavailability of other equipment assigned to different sections of the track. This particular train utilizes a remarkable mechanism to remove snow. Positioned beneath the driver's cab is a substantial metal wedge, ingeniously designed to not only push the snow away from the tracks, but also tilt it sideways, ensuring thorough cleansing of the rails. The configuration of windows within the cab is strategically planned, granting the operator an unobstructed view of every stage of the snow removal process. This setup empowers the operator to maintain absolute control over the operation while prioritizing maximum safety. This factor holds significant importance, especially in Japan, the filming location of this video, where encounters of wild animals on snow-covered railroad tracks are not uncommon. During the cold and snowy winters of 2014 and 2015 in Japan, a significant section of the railway line in Niigata Prefecture was completely buried under heavy snow. To ensure the prevention of potential accidents and mishaps, train services were temporarily halted, and a massive snow-clearing machine equipped with a high-performance auger device was deployed. In the accompanying video, you can witness the remarkable functionality of this machine. The snow cover is first pushed inward by two plows mounted on its sides, after which it is lifted by the auger. To prevent any obstructions along the edges of the railroad tracks, all the accumulated snow is then expelled sideways through a specialized metering unit with an adjustable top. This innovative technology employed by the snowplow ensures efficient snow removal without the risk of large blockages obstructing the railroad tracks. It is a vital measure taken to maintain the safety and smooth operation of train services in heavily snow-affected regions. One notable characteristic of this snowplow is its unique design featuring two cabs, enabling the machine to move along both sides of the tracks and effectively carry out its snow removal tasks. The snow removal system on this machine employs similar techniques to those utilized by previous devices on our list, employing plows and auger devices. Notably, operating this snowplow does not require a special license for the operator, making it accessible and convenient to use for individuals involved in snow clearance operations. This approach ensures efficient snow removal without impeding the flow of train services and mitigates the associated challenges caused by heavy snowfall. Despite having a maximum speed of only 16 kilometers per hour, the performance of this snowplow remains uncompromised. In addition to the standard metal wedge positioned at the front of the driver's cab, the machine is equipped with two substantial wings that can be folded or unfolded depending on the road's width. When extended, These wings cover an area approximately 3 times larger, effectively clearing not just the tracks but also the surrounding space, preventing the formation of snowdrifts. This feature proves especially valuable in situations where the train needs to make an emergency stop, such as in the event of an unforeseen breakdown requiring immediate repairs. While not a traditional railroad device, this self-propelled machine deserves a place on our list. The Auger snowblower demonstrates impressive capabilities, capable of propelling snow to heights of approximately 10 meters while ensuring even distribution to prevent the formation of large snowdrifts. Remarkably, it operates at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, allowing it to efficiently clear snow directly ahead of its path. Weighing 37 tons, this snowblower rallies on a powerful 650 horsepower engine to achieve its remarkable performance. Although currently manufactured exclusively in Norway, it is readily available for use in other countries as well. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of interesting videos which can impress you. See you soon in the new video. Bye.